Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
Actually, 2 years ago, my name was Dipesh Goplani, and now it is Zafar bin Mahesh.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah,
And,
MashaAllah.
and I was a lot into music industry in the rap world of India, and I used to write stuff for the Bollywood and stuff like that. But I got up with a disease named as bipolar disorder.
Allah,
It's
Shafakallah.
a mental illness. So I was supposed to live in the hospital for 4 to 5 months, but because of this, the beauty of Islam, I came out in 1 month.
Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Amazing. That's
And
Allah Almighty touching your life in a very, very positive way. May Allah
and
bless you.
I just want to say to the people, like, we should always keep our belief in Allah a lot, because He actually listens to us, and He actually does everything, whatever is good for us.
MashaAllah. Takbir. Allah. There we have a brother bearing witness. He was in a dark spot, in a situation with a health matter, kept calling out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and his entire life changed. May Allah Almighty help us also change our life.